Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Morant Urban Center, and a representative from the Urban Center was on a popular news station or news program this morning answering some questions about the Urban Center. Now, something that was stated that I'm going to talk about is the person from the Factories Corporation of Jamaica said that they have not collected rent from any tenant at the Morant Bay Urban Center. Now, if you look, you'll see KFC is open. They've been open from December 2025. So does that mean Factories Corporation of Jamaica is not charging rent to KFC? So I'm really not sure what that statement was about. But it turns out, and this urban center has been one, we called it an epic failure before, and some people weren't pleased. But this facility was officially opened in 2025, May 2025. And do you know, as of today, February 2026, there is no GPS connection to this facility? KFC had to open in December using a generator. $6 billion spent to open this facility, and KFC had to open their store using a generator. Then the news article said that there is no running water, there is no the national NWC connection to the facility. KFC stated they have to use drums, water tanks, I should say, and the water has to be trucked in for them to open their facility, for them to open their store. So maybe these are reasons why Factories Corporation of Jamaica is not charging rent. I don't know. But some questions need to be answered. There needs to be an official investigation into this urban center. And the reason why is because they are building more around Jamaica. There's one being built in Portland. There's one to be built in St. Mary out in Boscobel. And it has been announced that this is the blueprint for the building of more urban centers.